Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create test cases on Flipkart. So generally people are buying or shopping from Flipkart or Amazon while writing or while testing these website is very simple. So here we have flipkart.com and from this page we can see different menu options are available here. So how we can write down the test cases of this website so that any beginners who can start their journey in software testing or those who wants to know which all test cases we can include in e-commerce website or Flipkart website, they will refer this video. So if you're visiting this channel first time, please hit subscribe button and don't forget to press bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. Now, writing a test cases in Excel, either we can use Excel or we can use any project management tool. So if you don't know about project management tool, you can refer my Jira playlist. I will also include in description tab. And here we are not going to cover about login page test cases. We are already logged in. So I've already created one video how to write the test cases on login page. You can refer that so that you'll be able to add test cases on login page, because generally whenever we are doing login on Flipkart, it will ask for username or password, or normally it will ask on OTP based login authentication. So in that case you can refer my video from the description. Here, let's start with writing test cases on Flipkart. So while writing the test cases, we have to create one format, and based on the format, we will add the test cases according to our projects. So let's add project name. So right now we are using flipkart.com. So I am giving the project name here as Flipkart. Next thing, I will include model. So normally here we have several models are available. So if you are only focusing on any particular model, we can add the module name as well here. So test case prepared by, we can add the person name. Let's say I'm adding here as Deepak Rai. Now next thing, reviewed by. So we can add here our lead name or manager's name. Now these are the formats which you can also add several other details. So let's keep this thing only. Now here we will want that serial number, or maybe we can add test case ID. This is a unique ID which we are referring to, test case ID, then the name or title. If you want, we can add this into next section. Like here, we want that model name or feature name. So generally feature name is like if we are testing for the cart, or we are testing for the advertise sections, or become a seller, or we want to check one just for the my profile sections. So these all sections we can add it inside the feature. The title, it means the test case title, then steps, or if we have any preconditions. Next is steps, that is a detailed steps, or we can add as a description. Next is we want priority and severity, priority of the test case. Then if we have any test data, we can add it here. And next sections, we want to add status, or we can also add positive or negative scenario. There are n number of fields we can add it here, totally depending on your project. We will create these fields, negative. And next is I'm adding status here. So at the time of execution, the person who is doing this activity, or who is executing this test cases, they can add the status as pass fail or not tested yet or not done. Now let me add some title here. So this will become a complete title for us. Let me make some light color. Now it's done. Here we can also add test scenarios if we have, but if we don't have the test scenarios, we are skipping or directly jumping into the test case ID. So let's say I'm writing test cases for FB. So that is Facebook. I'm just adding 001. The reason behind that, I'm taking chances will be we have more than 1,000 test cases because it's a very big e-commerce applications and we have lot many sections to cover for testing this. Next is here we want to add features. So generally when we are looking into the Flipkart, we have main menu options. If we can see here, these are the menu options which we can see. Let's focus on order page. So or on the search page. So here in search page, we have mobile sections. Once I will select the mobile section, it will navigate me to the mobile devices or electronics devices which we have. And further, you can see these are the options are available here. So covering each and every sections is not at all possible, but we'll try to cover important things which we can write into the Flipkart, or the procedure will be exactly same. So let's now we have this model name. Let's say we are focusing on only the test cases on order page. So here we have this order page and we have to test it this order page. So right now I'm just adding as order is a feature. Now let's check the title or first test case title of. So let's expand to verify order page. So here we want to have some order in preconditions. So order should be present and user is already logged in. This is a preconditions which we are using for performing this test case. This preconditions will be met. If this precondition is not met, it means we won't be able to perform this test case. Steps to navigate to the order page. We have to go to the order page. First steps I am adding here. Number one, to order page. Second step, verify order detail. Third will be here we will add expected result. Now in order detail page, we have item name. We are not selecting on the item. We have item name, amount, delivered by, it means the delivery date, and the detail about the product. So right now we can see color, seller name, amount, delivery date, and the rating or the options which we can see here as rating, rate and review product. So these many options should be there, then only that test case will be passed. So in the option sections, we want the product name to be the product name, seller information, or we can see in seller name, then the amount. After amount, we want that rate product link. Post that we have the delivery date. and delivery date should be available. So this priority is medium. We can keep it as medium. Test data, we should have some test data, and this is a positive test case. Positive, we can add here positive. Right now we are not executing, so this field is not required. Second will be again, this is related to order only. So here to verify product name and image. So this is again precondition will be same. Here in step we are verifying the product name and image, so that image should be clear and name should be visible. So here check product name and image. Product name should be clear and visible to end user, and image should be clear to identify the product. Again, this is a positive test case. So here not margin wrap text, medium, and this is a positive one. Next will be in the product information page. Here we have verified this image and name. The amount should be exactly the same amount at the time of placing the order. To verify product selling amount. So here preconditions should be same. Now product, again we'll copy the same thing. Product selling amount should be clearly visible and correct at the time of placing an order. So here I'm keeping this as a again medium, because this is again going to be financially impact to the customer. Right now, by this way we can verify other sections like clicking on rate and review product. This should navigate it to the next page where we can add the rate and review. If you want to verify this detail, that order date should be correct, then which all additional free products are included with this product, we can also verify it. Now once I will click, this will navigate it to the next page where we can see the total delivery time, address, and everything should be clearly visible. So these all test cases we can include it here. Now here I want to include some of the test cases related to purchase order. So here what I will do, I will create some test cases on purchase order. So let's add it here. So actionable will be you. So you can add all the test cases related to order, and if you feel so, you can add inside the comment sections. So we'll see here how many test cases you have written, and if there is any corrections will be required, I will definitely update you in the comment section. So this is how you can create the order related test cases. So these are the assignments for you. If you want, you can create it and paste it in the comment section so that I will cross verify it, and if any changes will be required, I will update you. Now let's move into the next sections like purchase order. For placing a purchase order, we have to search for any specific project or any specific product. So here, let's say I want to make a purchase or I want to place an order of MI mobile. So I will search for the MI mobile, and on the search sections, I will click on any of the products which I like to place an order and see the complete flow to write the test cases to verify the search page. So precondition is again will be same, and here so user will be logged in. That's one precondition conditions will be required, and here we want to verify navigate to search page and search for any product. Then second, verify the list on search page. For verifying this, we want to have some products are onto search page. So now here we are looking for product name, product image, add to compare options, then product detail or specifications, then the amount, and if it is Flipkart assured or not, free deliveries, available date, and which all bank offer we have. So this is a again navigation key where we once we'll click on this navigation key, it will navigate us to next page. So here we have these many options are available, which we will copy and paste it to our expected result. So product list page should have details like one, product name and image. Second will be checkbox to compare. Third will be product specification, and product specifications will be available in next page in complete detail. So we want the product specifications on the major product specification. So we'll add here major product specification. Fourth will be amount or selling price. Next, fifth will be the Flipkart assured detail and free delivery by date. Flipkart assured options is not available for all the product, but if we have to verify it. Flipkart assured logo, then expected delivery date, then we have bank offer, 7th will be bank offer, and finally how much we are saving from this product, saved amount. So this is how we can add the detail, so that whenever the junior tester who is verifying this test case, they will have the idea these many details will be required for testing that product specification. So this is I'm giving as high priority because this is the first page, and this is again positive test cases. So now here we have completed for the detail purchase order. Now, if I want to click on compare, so here we will have one compare options. Once I will click on add to compare, I will get compare options are available. So if I want to compare with these two, once I will click on this compare, I will get the complete specifications. So let's add on to verify compare option. We'll add these two, then select product one to compare, from checkbox select product 2 to compare, and fourth options will be hit compare button. Now here we will write down in stepwise. So search page, once we'll navigate to the search page and search for any product, we will get product list. Product list should be available. Second, first will be added into compare list, and compare button should be visible. Next options will be, so second product will be added for comparison, and fourth options I'm writing here. For once we'll click on hit compare button, we will be navigated into comparison list page. So here compare list page will be available with complete detail. That compare page will add new test cases for this. Again, this will become a medium, and this is a positive test case. So this is how we can write the test case for purchase order. So apart of that, you can list down which all test cases we can include in purchase order, and create a list of purchase order test cases and add inside the comment sections. Again, I will check or verify and share the final test case list with you. So this is how we can work for the purchase order project. In the similar way, we can also verify other options like electronics. So these all are options that TV and appliances, main and women, baby and kids, furniture, sports. So these all options we have to verify it. In cart sections, do we have any cart options are available? How the page will be looks like this. Then we have these many options for the verifications, notifications, gift card, coupons, my charts, wish list. These all we have to verify. These are the header sections where we can see all these menu options are available. We have to verify the styles as well. So if we want to see or verify the style, we should need the image, name, what is the discount price, and best selling styles. These text will be there, so these we have to verify these styles as well. And here we have footer sections. So in footer sections we have to verify contact us, about us, carrier. So these all menu options we have to verify. Then if we want to become a seller, we can click from there. Then merchant name, so these are the merchant names. Again, this is a copyright message. So copyright message is available from 2007 to 2022. So these copyright messages should be updated. So merchant details should be updated. So if we'll start writing or drafting the test cases for the flipkart.com, definitely you will get more than 1,000 test cases to be generated. In individual sections we'll have too many test cases. So if you want to draft it the on bigger pieces, then also not less than 150 to 200 test cases will be there for the Flipkart. But if you want to verify in detail, or if you want to test the complete application in detail, we have to write it more than 1,000 test cases, because this is not a small application or not a small e-commerce application. In the similar way, we can also write down the test cases for the Amazon or any other e-commerce website. So if you feel so you are struggling or you are feeling any challenge while writing this test cases or any of this e-commerce website, you can let me know in the comment section, so that I will try to prepare some of the test cases and share with you. Hope this will help you in terms of your preparation guide, or in terms of clarifying your doubt how we'll create the test cases on any particular e-commerce website. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.